Hello everyone, welcome back to our Surds series. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to add and subtract surds. The rule is very simple. You can only add or subtract like surds. Like surds are surds that have exactly the same number inside the square root. Let's look at our first example. Both surds contain under root 5. Since they are like surds, we simply add the coefficients. Therefore, 3 under root 5 plus 2 under root 5 is equals to 5 under root 5. So this will be our final answer. Let's try another example. Again, both surds contain under root 2. Subtract the coefficients. Therefore, 7 under root 2 minus 4 under root 2 is equals to 3 under root 2. So this will be our final answer. Now consider this example. Can we add these? No, the number inside the square root are different. One contains under root 3 and the other contains under root 7. Therefore, this expression cannot be simplified. Now let's solve a question where we simplify first. First, simplify each third. Now we have 2 under root 3 plus 3 under root 3. Since they are like thirds, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So the final answer will be 5 under root 3. Remember, only like thirds can be added or subtracted. Always simplify first if possible. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.